Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's talk about good posture and how to hold a guitar. Sit straight without hunching your back. Rest your elbow on the lower bout of the guitar to hold it in position. Hold the guitar comfortably against you. Rest the waist of the guitar on your thigh. Use a footstool to raise your leg. Sit at a comfortable height. Keep the neck of the guitar slightly elevated. Don't use your playing hand to support the neck. Keep your shoulders relaxed. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification icon and share it with someone who may find it useful. Thank you for watching.